Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. First Caribbean International Bank will be selling its operations in a number of Caribbean territories. This includes St. Vincent, Grenada, Dominica, and St. Kitts. The sale will be to Bank of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada Cooperative Bank, National Bank of Dominica, and St. Kitts and Nevis Anguilla National Bank. First Caribbean Cayman will sell its assets in Aruba to Aruba Bank NV. The sale of these assets are pending regulatory approval, including from the Central Bank of Barbados, and are expected to be finalized in the coming months. CIBC First Caribbean's Chief Executive Officer Colette Dehaney says the sale of these operations will enable First Caribbean to optimize and simplify its business and focus on core markets to accelerate growth. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ intervened in the foreign exchange market for a second consecutive day. The Bank of Jamaica sold $20 million to authorized dealers and cambios through a flash sale intervention. 4 banks and 4 cambios were successful in the auction. In yesterday's intervention, the BOJ pumped $30 million into the market. Today's intervention is the 13th since the start of the year. And the US dollar is selling for an average $151.23. The Canadian currency is trading at $121.49. $206.19 is the going rate for the pound, and $175.32 for the euro. Oil steadied after a volatile session, pausing a rally that has brought prices to multi-year highs and raised concerns that higher energy costs could derail the global economic recovery. Brent crude fell 23 cents to settle at $83.42 a barrel. The JC index declined by 1,446 points, while the junior market gained 15 points. Today's advances include T-Tech, Dolphin Cove, Main Event Entertainment Group, Jetcon Corporation, Epley's 7.5% shares due 2024. On the losing side, Consolidated Bakeries, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, iCreate Ordinary shares, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.